Hey first grade, today we are going to work on your computer literacy skills. What that means is what you know about the computer. To do that, we are going to click here on this website. So you'll watch the video and then after the video, click here. Okay, it's going to pop up to this web page. And even though I know this is first grade, I want you to start here with Unit 1. It's Online Computer Literacy Practice Computer Basics. Click on that first link. If you get this page, click on that puzzle piece and then click Allow. Now, as it is loading, you can maximize it, make it bigger by clicking on the square. As it talks to you, make sure you have your headphones plugged in tight and watch the short presentation and follow the directions. If you have questions, please raise your hand. When you are done, you will exit out and then go on to Unit 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you are done with 6, please raise your hand and we can work on something different. Good luck!